Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Kensington docking station dual monitor not working, multi-display and HDMI fix. To fix a Kensington docking station where dual monitors aren't working, start by performing a hard power reset. Unplug the dock from its power source and your laptop for 60 seconds and ensure your video cables are high quality securely connected to the dock's video ports and directly update your laptop's GPU drivers. Fix 1. Power cycle and cable check. Hard reset. Shut down your laptop and unplug the dock from the wall power and then disconnect the dock from your laptop too. Now wait for 60 seconds and then reconnect power to the dock first and then plug it into your laptop and boot up. Electrical interference. Users agree on Reddit that electrical interference can disable dock displays. Plug the dock's power adapter directly into a wall outlet rather than a shared power strip. Direct test. Connect the non-working monitor directly to your laptop's HDMI or USB-C port to verify if the cable or monitor is at fault. Fix 2. Update drivers and firmware. GPU drivers. Outdated graphic drivers are a common culprit. Download the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer. Example Intel, Nvidia, or AMD. Display link software. If your dock relies on display link, common for universal models, uninstall existing drivers, download the latest display link manager for your operating system, and then reinstall it. Fix 3. OS display settings. Force detection. If a monitor is blank, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on Windows to reset the graphics driver. Then navigate to Settings and go to System, Init, tap on Display, and then find multiple displays and click Detect. For Extend Desktop, ensure your display settings are set to extend desktop to this display rather than disconnect this display. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.